When it comes to enhancing the look and feel of your home, curb appeal plays a critical role. It's the first impression your house makes on visitors, potential buyers, and even passers-by. If you're looking for a cost-effective yet impactful way to boost your home's curb appeal, upgrading your windows can make all the difference. New windows not only enhance the aesthetic of your home but also improve its functionality, energy efficiency, and value, especially in Fort Worth, where a blend of modern style and traditional charm is highly prized. Why new windows? Windows are more than just openings in your walls. They are one of the most important elements of your home's exterior design. Over time, windows can become worn, outdated, or damaged, detracting from your home's overall appearance. If your current windows are drafty, stained, or showing signs of wear, it might be time for an upgrade. New windows can dramatically change your home's curb appeal by offering clean lines, a modern look, and improved functionality. Whether you're looking to update a traditional home with a modern touch or maintain the charm of your house while improving its energy efficiency, new windows are an excellent solution. Aesthetic benefit. One of the most immediate benefits of new windows is the visual appeal they bring to your home. In Fort Worth, where homes range from charming historic properties to sleek modern designs, the right windows can complement your home's unique style. Here are a few aesthetic advantages. Modern styles and designs. New window options come in various styles, including double-hung, casement, and picture windows. The modern materials, like fiberglass, vinyl, or wood-clad options, allow you to pick windows that align with your design goals, whether you're looking for something more contemporary or traditional. Better natural light. New windows often offer larger panes and more efficient framing, allowing more natural light to enter your home. This brightens up the interior and enhances the exterior look of your home. Customization. You can choose the color, trim, and grille patterns to fit your home's character. This flexibility allows you to ensure that your windows make a statement while seamlessly integrating into your existing design. Energy efficiency and comfort. In Fort Worth's hot summers and chilly winters, energy efficiency is a major concern. Old windows can lead to energy loss, making your home less comfortable and driving up heating and cooling costs. Installing new, energy-efficient windows will not only improve your home's curb appeal but also provide a significant boost to its energy efficiency. New windows are designed with better insulation and energy-efficient glass, such as low-E coatings, that help regulate the temperature inside your home. This means that during the summer, your home stays cooler, and in the winter, it remains warmer, without overworking your HVAC system. Over time, these savings add up, making the investment in new windows a wise financial decision. Increased home value. Whether you're planning to stay in your Fort Worth home for years to come or considering putting it on the market, new windows can significantly increase the value of your property. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated features, and windows are one of the first things they notice. Energy-efficient, visually appealing windows not only enhance your home's exterior but also signal to buyers that the property is well maintained and offers long-term value. In a competitive housing market like Fort Worth, having modern, high-quality windows can make your home stand out from others, helping you achieve a higher resale value. Low maintenance and durability. Another compelling reason to invest in new windows is the low maintenance and durability that comes with modern materials. Unlike older windows that require constant upkeep, such as scraping and repainting, today's windows are built with materials that are resistant to weathering, fading, and warping. Whether you opt for vinyl, fiberglass, or another durable material, you'll enjoy windows that look great for years to come with minimal effort. Professional installation in Fort Worth. When it comes to installing new windows, it's essential to work with professionals who understand the unique climate and design needs of Fort Worth homes. A trusted window installation company can help you choose the right windows, handle the proper measurements, and ensure a flawless installation process. Proper installation is key to maximizing the efficiency and longevity of your new windows. Conclusion: upgrading your windows is a smart and effective way to boost your home's curb appeal in Fort Worth. With the combination of improved aesthetics, enhanced energy efficiency, and increased property value, new windows offer a return on investment that goes beyond just looks. Whether you're updating a classic home or modernizing a contemporary one, new windows are the perfect way to enhance both the exterior and interior of your home.